I don't know if you can hear, my laptop is taking off right now. Welcome back to Franky's Workers. My name is MTU. In this video, I wanted to talk about the workspace that I have. In my last video, I showed the making of this Going Merry model, and in there I was spray painting in a different location. And that was quite a bit of work, and last year I did some renovating of my workshop, and I filmed it, and I wanted to show you that process. So I'm using the Gorilla filler, and apparently it's weatherproof. I've watched some videos to kind of test this, and it's kind of got as much durability that I kind of want. You should always read the cautionary notes at the back of any kind of product that you're using, especially if you're doing it by yourself. So you shouldn't try to breathe this in. I've got some goggles on in case it goes in my eyes, and I've got some gloves and a long sleeve top. So I've just tried to clear up the bottom space here because the original, if you can see, filler, whatever this is, wasn't done very well at the bottom, and I'm worried that there'll be more kind of leaks and water coming in from somewhere. So I'm gonna try the can, use it to fill what I can. When you kind of release the foam, you can use the scraper to kind of shape it, is what I'm hoping.
And bringing it back to the goal of this channel, that workspace isn't quite going to be enough to build everything I need to in terms of space and equipment and functionality. Lucky for me, I'm fortunate enough to have a community workshop that's in my city, and I'm able to visit that, and they have quite a lot of cool equipment and space. It's good for me that I have these resources available and I can use them for these fairly smaller projects. It means a lot that you're still watching. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. I'd like to branch out beyond just focusing on the Going Merry. I have actually made this. If you recognize this guy, he is Mekamaru from Jujutsu Kaisen, and he talks, you know, it's me, you idiot. I made this as well, just to sort of test out my CAD design and 3D printing experience. So the next video should be talking about this and how I made it. If you have any other suggestions for what I could make with a 3D printer or some basic woodworking skills, then please comment down below. And that's gonna do it for today. Till next time.